Recently, there's been an increase in the number of job losses reported, hitting a jobs market that overall is still relatively strong, and where the loss of jobs is less important than coping with change in the workforce. Dominic Lesmeister reports on a relevant and pressing challenge. Large companies currently the source of bad news, with heavy job cuts announced, in Germany as well. Companies such as BASF with 3,000 job losses, Bayer with 4,500, Ford 5,400, and VW is planning to cut 7,000 jobs. According to the experts, there's no need to resort to redundancies or a return to mass unemployment. We are currently seeing some large companies implementing early retirement measures in place of redundancies, as we last saw in times of mass unemployment in the 90s. But we also need to see that medium-sized companies, tradespeople, residential care homes, have quite different problems. They really don't know where to get enough staff from. Soon, increasing numbers of baby boomers will be retiring, and industry is facing a structural change. Old jobs, such as those to do with the internal combustion engine, are disappearing. Digitalization is changing the world of work. Investments, new products, new jobs. We have plenty of work to do. The most important thing is that we cope well with the changes, and that means investing in people, training, and skills. This is exactly what Freudenberg is trying to do. The company is, amongst others, a supplier to the automotive and engineering industries. Production at Adlershof in Berlin is automated. The two employees we spoke to work in maintenance and quality control. In the last few years, the way in which Bianca Gottschalk works has changed. She can now look at the data from machines and analyze and monitor it digitally. When machines break down, I have to fill out a request for maintenance. I used to do that with a pen on a board, and now I do everything using a dashboard. No paper, no pens, digitally. Bianca Gottschalk was trained for her new task by her employer. Instead of job losses, Freudenberg focuses on job transformation through training. The experience and skills gained by an employee over many decades working for the company is very important for us. They know about the products, the materials, machines, blindfolded. Building on that know-how is, in fact, our strength here at the site. David Hesse first did an apprenticeship as an electronics technician, but the demands are changing drastically. Machine maintenance is becoming more complex. It was exactly for that reason I then studied electrical engineering with a focus on automation technology, because I want to be an interface between the network and the machine itself. The demand for highly skilled specialists has never been greater. One reason why we won't see a return to mass unemployment.